Hello guys, so may nabasa ako dito comment sa Facebook regarding Piang or Sophia Smith. Ayon sa kanya, character development. This is what sets the season of BBB apart from last year's, which didn't leave much of an impact to me. This season is filled with drama and character growth at downfall. Di talaga ako fan of either Fiang or Jazz. When Fiang first entered the house, her attitude didn't sit well with me. As for Jazz, I'm not convinced she's as genuine as other housemates have made her out to be. Yung tipong gusto niya lahat ng housemates i-hate si Fiang at ipumukha sa kanila na siya yung malinis. Habang tumatagal, nakikita ko yung growth ni Fiang. She's 18. Her surroundings maybe made her what she is. Pero totoo naman, natuturuan siya. Nalalaman na niya mali niya. Siya kasi yung spoil pero put her beside people na willing to tell her mistakes and she knows kung ano mali niya. I like her to be honest. Si Just naman, achiever, God-oriented and pinalaki daw ng tama. Pero makikita mo na kahit pala lumaki ka sa maayos na pamamahay at puro ka God, pero may dark side din siya. So to be honest, I was happy nung nag-uusap na sila at tinatawag na ulit siyang ate ni Fiang. Pero there is something behind it at sa pag-uusap nila, kinalat niya sa ibang housemates to side with her. It's not right. Mas nagugustuhan ko si Fiang. Yung sinabi ni Fiang na dati na di nagpapakatao si Jazz na dinidiretso sa kanya ay ginawa ulit ni Jazz sa mas maraming housemates naman. Mas pinatunayan lang ni Jazz kung gaano katotoo yung mga sinasabi sa kanya. It's sad lang. Dito mo malalaman kung gaano katotoo ang isang tao, hindi dahil lang sa pagiging relihiyoso, may kakayahan or achiever. I don't tolerate Fiang pag may nagpe-pray tapos kumakain siya. Ayoko yun. Pero I won't judge her kung bakit di siya religious. Ang dami nagdadasal dito pero ang sama ng pag-uugali. Don't be hypocrites guys. So, ito yung nabasa kong comment. So, anong tingin nyo guys?